Toyota Prius XW60 12-volt battery. Location: in the Toyota Prius, the 12-volt battery is located on the right-hand side of the luggage compartment. Removing the 12-volt battery cover. Vehicle with high deck. 1. Open the deck board. 2. Hold the handle and pull it toward you, and then the 3 clips will be disengaged. 3. Take out the 12-volt battery cover. Before recharging. When recharging, the 12-volt battery produces hydrogen gas, which is flammable and explosive. Therefore, observe the following precautions before recharging. If recharging with the 12-volt battery installed on the vehicle, be sure to disconnect the ground cable. Make sure the power switch on the charger is off when connecting and disconnecting the charger cables to the 12-volt battery. After recharging, reconnecting the 12-volt battery. Unlocking the doors using the smart key system may not be possible immediately after reconnecting the 12-volt battery. If this happens, use the wireless remote control or the mechanical key to lock, unlock the doors. Start the hybrid system with the power switch in ACC. The hybrid system may not start with the power switch turned off. However, the hybrid system will operate normally from the second attempt. The power switch mode is recorded by the vehicle. If the 12-volt battery is reconnected, the vehicle will return the power switch mode to the status it was in before the 12-volt battery was disconnected. Make sure to turn off the power switch before disconnecting the 12-volt battery. Take extra care when connecting the 12-volt battery if the power switch mode prior to discharge is unknown. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.